Hey all, welcome back to the next session of private equity. So this is second session. So we'll discuss here what is private equity. Ever wonder how billionaires make money outside the stock market? And here is a secret of private equity. So private equity refer to the investing in a private company, buying public company to take them to private. So private equity they buy is where the investor buy, improve and sell the private company for the massive profit. Private firm don't trade stock, they own entire company. That's why they are making the profit. And here why it is possible and why it is powerful. Higher risk but higher return than the stock market. No daily stock price drama, just big payout. So here the fund typically lock for the 7 to 10 years, involve buyout, restructuring and exit strategies. Example here is the Blackstone, KKR, Carlyle groups are the top PE fund investing in millions in the real estate, tech, and healthcare. Would you invest if you have money where you lock for 10 years? Comment yes or no in this reel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you on the next reel.